I'm Felicia of Albert and Wand, and I'm proud to invite you to become a proud owner of what is going to be a new standard for refined living right here in the heart of Lekki Phase 1, the fast-selling Romel Terraces. Fully serviced, gorgeously designed, and in a highly coveted neighborhood in Lekki Phase 1. This brand new development offers up elegant homes, top-of-the-line facilities, and a sophisticated environment for people in search of a home that offers up luxury living. Brought to you by developers with a track record for creating homes that give you a true sense of community, the Romel Terraces conjures up an environment that is difficult to match even in the prestigious neighborhood of Lekki Phase 1. Embrace a healthy lifestyle with a fully equipped gymnasium and swimming pool. Discover true comfort with 24 hours power, water treatment, and a highly trained security unit on constant patrol. Top it all off with a fully fitted kitchen, spacious parking, and rooms with fully fitted air conditioners. Romel Terraces is truly the pinnacle of modern design with communal living fully in mind. We weren't joking when I told you that the Romel Terraces is selling fast. With only 3 units left of our amazing 4-bedroom terrace houses, it's now a race to see who is going to be the first to be a part of this amazing community right here in Lekki Phase 1. To own one of these 4-bedroom terrace houses, the price now is 150 million naira. But don't forget, you can pay 40% now and spread the rest of your payments to completion dates. My name is Felicia of Albert and Wand. Don't forget to give us a call with the number that appears on the screen. Check out our website and social media to see more properties just like this one. Until then, take care.